to non-contact activity following sports hernia surgery. This week during camp, Goran Dragic, Josh Richardson, and Wayne Ellington missed one time as well. Sometime, I should say. Dragic missed an early session with a sore ankle, and ailment that was also ankle-oriented kept Ellington out of yesterday's red, white, and pink game, and Richardson had to leave the scrimmage with a thigh bruise. Dragic returned Thursday after being limited on Wednesday. He finished camp strong. Coach Bolster said Richardson would have finished the scrimmage yesterday if it had been a game of consequence, but he's out tonight, though probably would have had the night off anyway as he didn't miss any action. And training camp, Ellington received treatment and is making his way out. He's out this evening. At Bam to the injury list with a right shoulder strain. Spo said Bam tried to run right through Hassan yesterday.